Welcome back, dear friends. First question is the police of which of the following states is not under the state government? Madhya Pradesh, Delhi, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh. Correct option is B. Delhi. The police of Delhi state is not under the state government. Delhi police is under the Home Ministry of the India government. Question number 2. Who was the President of the Constituent Assembly of the Independence India? Bhimrao Ambedkar, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, C. Rajgopalachari, K.M. Munshi. Correct option is B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was elected the permanent president of the Constituent Assembly on December 11, 1946. When the Constitution was passed by the Constituent Assembly on November 1949, then there were total 22 parts, 395 articles, 8 schedule at present. There are 25 parts, 448 articles and 12 schedule in the Constitution. Question number 3. The Public Account Committee submits its report to the Comptroller and Auditor General, to the Speaker of Lok Sabha, to the Minister of Parliamentary Affairs, to the President of India. Correct option is B. To the Speaker of Lok Sabha. The Public Account Committee submits its report to the Speaker of the Lok Sabha. The Public Account Committee is known as the twin sister of Estimates Committee. The committee consists of 22 members, out of which 15 members are elected by the members of the Lok Sabha and 7 members are elected by the members of Rajya Sabha. According to the practice established in 1967, a member of the opposition is appointed as the chairman of this committee. Question number 4. Which of the following statements regarding the Parliament of India is not correct? The Constitution provides for parliamentary form of the government. The foremost function of Parliament is to provide for the cabinet. The membership of the council is limited to the lower house. The cabinet should enjoy the confidence of the majority in the popular house. Not correct is C. The membership of the council is limited to the lower house. According to the Parliament of India, the membership of the cabinet is not limited to the lower house, but it can be member of either house, upper or lower. A person outside either of the two of the parliament has to become a member of either house of parliament. Question number 5. Which article of Indian Constitution protect the accused from double punishment and self-indictment in case of conviction? Article 19, Article 22, Article 21, Article 20. Correct option is D. Article 20. Article 20 of the Indian Constitution provides protection from double punishment and self-consideration to the accused in respect of conviction under the right of liberty. Question number 6. Which of the following subjects belongs to the concurrent list? Police, criminal cases, radio and televisions, foreign affairs. Criminal cases belong to the concurrent list. Question number. Let's see its explanation. Police is the subject of state list on which the state government can make laws. Radio, television and foreign affairs are union subject on which the central government has the power to legislate. While criminal matters are subject in the concurrent list on which both the state and union have power to legislate. Question number 7. Which article of the Indian Constitution prescribe the qualifications for re-election to the office of President? Article 52, Article 54, Article 55, Article 57. Correct option is D, Article 57. There is a provision in Article 52 of the Indian Constitution. There will be a President of India. Article 54 provides for the election of the President. Article 55 provides for the procedure for election of the President of India, and Article 57 provides for re-election. Question number 8. With reference to the Delimitation Commission, consider the following statements. The orders of Delimitation Commission cannot be challenged in any court. Absolutely correct. The order of Delimitation Commission cannot be challenged in any court. Second is, when the orders of Delimitation Commission are placed before the Lok Sabha and state legislature, no modification can be made in those orders. Second is also correct. Which of the above statements are correct? Both 1 and 2. The Limitation Commission is a powerful commission whose orders cannot be challenged in any courts, and its recommendation can be placed before the Lok Sabha and the State Assembly, but no amendment can be made in it. 4 Delimitation Commission have been constituted so far in 1952, 1962, 1973 and 2002. Question number 9. Which of the following countries officially adopted the first family planning program? Brazil, USA, India, China. Correct option is C, China. Family planning program was started in the year 1951 in India, which was the world's first officially family planning program. Question number 10. Where is a money bill introduced? In Lok Sabha, in Rajya Sabha, in joint sitting of both houses? None of these. Money bill only introduced in Lok Sabha. A money bill is introduced in Lok Sabha after being passed by Lok Sabha. The money bill will sent to the Rajya Sabha along with the certificate of the Lok Sabha Speaker. A money bill cannot be rejected or amended by Rajya Sabha. The bill has to be sent to the Lok Sabha within a period of 14 days from the date of receipt. Question number 11. Provisions relating to appointment provisions relating to apportionment of taxes between the union and states can be suspended in times of financial emergency, can be suspended in times of national emergency, cannot be suspended under any circumstances, can be suspended only with the consent of majority of the legislatures of the states. Correct option is B. Can be suspended in times of national emergency. National emergency is declared by the President under Article 352. While a proclamation of emergency is in force, the President has the constitutional power by order to modify the provisions of the Constitution relating to allocation of financial resources between the Union and the states, provided that such order shall not be in force beyond the end of the financial year in which such proclamation ceases to be enforced. Question number 12. What is the basic difference between fundamental rights and directive principles? Fundamental rights are positive while Directive principles are negative. Directive principles are instrumental. Fundamental rights are liable. Fundamental rights are liable while directive principles are not. None of the above. Correct option C. Fundamental rights are liable while directive principles are not. Fundamental rights are liable to be sued. That is, in the event of violation of fundamental rights, a suit can be brought in the court, while the directive principles are not litigable, because in the events of violation of these, a suit cannot be brought in the court. Question number 13. Which of the following consists of the Indian Parliament? Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and Prime Minister, Speaker of Lok Sabha, President and both houses. Correct option is D. President and both houses. Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. The provision of Parliament is described in Article 79 and Article 80 tells Constitution of Rajya Sabha, and Article 81 is relating to Lok Sabha. Indian Parliament consists of President and both houses, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Question number 14. Consider the following statement about the office of the Speaker of Lok Sabha. He holds office during the pleasure of President. Incorrect statement. He need not a member of House at the time of his election, but he must become member of House within 6 months after his election. Second is also incorrect. Third, if he wishes to resign, he must address his resignation to the Deputy Speaker. Third is only correct. Correct option will be B. According to Article 93, the Lok Sabha shall, as soon as it receive after its first sitting, elect two members to be the Speaker and Deputy Speaker. The Speaker and Deputy Speaker shall hold office during the lifetime of the House, provided that his office may also cease to exist in the following manners. First, on his to member of the House, if he is the Speaker, or resigning office by writing under his hand addressed to the Deputy Speaker, his removal from his office by a resolution passed by a majority of all the then members of the House of the People. Article 94. Question number 15. The word secular was added to the preamble of the Indian Constitution by the 25th Amendment, by the 42nd Amendment, by the 44th Amendment, by the 52nd Amendment. Correct option is B. The word secular was added in preamble by 42nd Amendment Act 1976. By the 42nd Constitutional Amendment 1976, the words secular, socialist and secular were added. In the Indian Constitution preamble. Thanks, please subscribe.